All right, guys, quick video. We're checking out the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch. Hashtag Team Pixel. Shout out to Google for sending this over to review to make some content on. We got the Obsidian colorway here, but the presentation here from Google is straight fire, so I have to show you. I wasn't really sure if I was going to do an unboxing, and we also have this little bag here, a nice bag with the boxes in here. So we'll take a look at the boxes first. So we got the Pixel Watch, and we also have the Obsidian Pixel 7 Pro. This does come in two other colorways, hazel and snow, and all colorways are absolutely stunning when you see them in person. And of course, the Pixel Watch. And what I like what they did here with the watch, whatever phone they sent you, they did give you the matching band to go with it. So I'm excited to get both of these up and running and use these and come back with a bunch of content on the channel. But these are just empty boxes. The accessories in here, we'll take a look at what we get with the watch first. So inside of here is going to be the charging cable. We also get some paperwork, and that's probably it. Yep, just some paperwork and the charging cable. Very clean, very nice. And let's get this out of here. I'm excited to show you guys what's in here because super clean. Now the box for the Obsidian Pixel 7 Pro, not much to it. Paperwork, we do get the dongle so you can transfer from one device to another, and then the USB-C to USB-C, and that's it. So not much in the box. I used to love doing unboxing. It's not that way anymore, right? But it is when you get something like this, the Google Pixel collection, and you open this guy up. Look how clean it is. Now, of course, I did play with this already, so it's not as clean as it was, but you can see here the Obsidian Black Pixel 7 Pro. Starting price on this guy is $899, and it goes up depending on the storage you have or that you want. It goes to 256 and 512, three colorways, snow, hazel, and obsidian. Very nice and very clean. Now you can see it's already on because I've been using it already. When I got home, I did have to, put my info in and start it up. But again, we're not going to take a look at anything, software or anything. You guys, if you want to see that, ton of reviews already on this device. Just a quick unboxing and first look at what Google sent over here. And the Pixel Watch, I don't use watches much, but I am going to use this watch, and I'm going to put this thing through its paces. I love the look of this watch. I think it's very clean, very smooth looking, and very sleek. So I'm excited to, just wear this and pair it with the phone. And on here, you can see, it does say Team Pixel etched in the mirror on the packaging. So man, Google sent out some straight fire today. But what do you guys think? Just a quick video. We're not talking really about anything else besides just that first impression, that first look at the Pixel Watch and the Pixel 7 Pro in Obsidian Black. What do you think, guys? Let me know what you think if you're picking one up, if you're getting a different colorway, what's your favorite colorway, and what do you think of the watch? Are you going to be picking up the watch? But I'm going to come back in a few days with a first impressions video on both of these devices, and then a full review on both in a couple of weeks. That's it, guys. Shout out again to Team Pixel. Shout out to Google for sending this over. I'll be back soon. Peace.